All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is... And this is... And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
Japan!
That's right, Japan! This is an Umai crate. You can go over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. All right, shall we open this thing up and see what's inside?
Yeah!
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Alright, so the first thing you see when you crack this thing open is the informational pamphlet. It's got information about everything that comes in this box, like so. And if you forget where it went and you lose it, you're kind of screwed. So don't lose it. And every month they also have a recipe card. This one is Tororo Onigiri. And just so you know, this is the April 2020 Umai crate. Alright, so the first thing we got is Kinchan Bukake Mentai Cream. So this one, yeah, it's Bukake Udon, which means it's splashed with a sauce. So it's not like full of a broth, it's just got a little bit of sauce to it. So, yeah. Next up, we've got some Watame Somen. Enjoy this flavorful somen noodle soup with the flavor of bonito and wakame, a type of sea vegetable. Alright, this one is Kumamoto Mokos Ramen. Kumamoto Ramen is said to be from Kurume, Kumamoto Prefecture in Japan. It is considered the birthplace of tonkatsu, pork bone ramen. Next up, we've got some Tanuki Ayaji Tonkatsu Ramen. This tonkatsu comes close to a sit-down restaurant ramen, but in an instant bowl. The added vegetables help round out the flavor of the rich, creamy broth. Next up, we've got some Itomen Shoyu Seafood and Vegetables Dashi Ramen. This is a pretty standard instant noodle from Japan. Itomen is a well-known and old-time honored brand. Next up, we've got some Kenko Foods Sichuan style ramen. I've seen this one with different terms before. They kind of seem to change it every time they make it. It's basically like a slightly spicy and tasty ramen. It's really quite good. And another one from Kenko Foods. This is their sauce yakisoba. This is a pretty decent yakisoba. Cook it up, drain it, add the stuff in, stir it up, that kind of deal. It's got that Worcestershire style sauce kind of flavor. Next up, we've got a little bag of menma. So what is menma? It's bamboo shoots. So they're usually pickled. Usually have kind of like a salty and sesame kind of taste to them, so they're a really good addition to your ramen. And now it's time for the bonus item! This month's bonus item is Tororo Kelp. Tororo Kelp contains a lot of calcium, iron, and dietary fiber. It's a very healthy ingredient in Japan. Add in noodles or udon or soba. It's a great addition. Alright, and so in the April 2020 Umai crate, you get sauce yakisoba, spicy ramen, wakame, bukake udon, tanuki oyaji tonkatsu, seafood shoyu, super good tonkatsu, menma, tororo kelp, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, super cool. Well, hey, thanks to the guys over at Umai Crate for sending us along. If you want to get a box like this, head on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Alright, well hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Mimi.
And this is...
Maya.
Wishing you enjoyment for your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one. Bye!